For growing spinach hydroponically into DFT system like this, you must use the net cups for the plant setting. Now, if you are preparing a nursery directly into the net cup, then you can directly place it into the system. But if you are preparing a nursery somewhere outside, then you must first transplant all the spinach plant into this net pot. This is 2-inch net pot where we can grow the spinach. Now, while transplanting, you must follow certain rule so that whatever plant you transplant will have a good success. Once the plant are transplanted, then you need to put those plant into these pipes for initial establishment. Now, certain care must be taken or the precaution must be taken so that your plant is established well into this system. For that, how to manage the water level and so that it cannot dry or not the overwater. Once the plant are set into the system, you must follow the nutrition management. With the good nutrition management, you will have a very healthy growth of the plant and you will get the good harvest. So what are the care or what are the steps to be followed for good nutrition management? All that information I am going to discuss into this video. Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, this is the third part of the video series how to grow spinach hydroponically. And in this video, I am going to tell you all about how to transplant your spinach plant from your nursery to the net pot, what are the care we should take and what are the different methods we can follow for transplanting. After the transplanting the plant into the net pot, we must put this net pot into this DFT system, and at that time also we need to take some care so that all the plants will survive well. They will not get die either by the shortage of the water or by the drowning into the water. And in the last, we are talking about the good nutrition management practices to be followed for good growth of the plant. So, what is the process or step we need to follow? I will explain you in detail for the spinach. So friends, to know everything in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start this video. Now, for transplanting the plant into the net pot, the first step is to remove the plants from the nursery. Now here is our nursery which is now ready. You can see that all the leaf is almost developed third or fourth leaf. So these plants are ready for transplant. At this stage, the stems are enough strength so we can handle it very easily. So either we can use our own nursery or you can bring the plant from outside. The procedure for transplanting remains same. Now first we need to uproot few plants from this nursery. For that we are using some tool. So first we loosen out some coco peat so that plant will come out easily. We haven't watered this since yesterday, so the coco peat is little bit dry and plant can come out very easily. So we take out this bunch of plant from this. You can see the plants are out now. Now you can see that lot of coco peat is on the roots. So we lightly tap and try to remove maximum of coco peat from this plant. So we need to remove this so that this coco peat after transplanting will not get into the system and clog the system. Now if you are using the outside nursery, specifically if it is made into soil, you need to clean all the roots very thoroughly. Now here we have a bucket full of water also. So what we'll do, we'll clean these plants into this water also. So most of the coco peat is dropping. Now couple of the coco peat you can still see that it is sticking to the plant. Now this coco peat even not gone, it is closely connected to the plant root. So it is not going to get out into the system. So this step we need to follow first. This water will also help us in keep the plant hydrated so that while we are transplanting, it will not get dry out. Now the process of sowing. We can sow this three ways. We can use three different material or media. One is a coco peat. When you sow with the coco peat, you simply need to set the plant into this net cup, fill all around with the coco peat, lightly press and water it. This will give the plant to establish into this coco peat. In second method or second media, we can use the clay balls. Similar way, we can hold the plant like this and fill all around the cup with the small size of the clay balls, like 2 to 8 millimeter. Once we fill with the clay balls, we immediately need to water them. And third thing which we are going to follow is this sponge. So we have like this sponge which we have cut from the center, and we are going to put the plants into that sponge. Now I will show you closely how we are going to transplant them with the help of sponge. So here is our plant. Up to here it is the stem, and from here it is the root. Now what we need to do, we need to set the plant up to the stem around half centimeter above the bottom. Once we put this plant like this, then we must close this sponge so that plant will hold into the position. We need to ensure that this is into the center. Now we can squeeze it lightly and push it all the way through the cup right to the bottom like this. So once it is set to the bottom, its roots are on the bottom. So whenever it is touching the water, it will immediately take water from the bottom. So like that, we need to sow the plant. Now after sowing the plant, either we can directly put it into the DFT system, or we can establish the plant into some tray, plastic tray like this. For that, what we need to do, we need to put all the plants into the tray and keep it regularly watering. Or we can fill a small level, half centimeter of the water into the tray. So the plant will get enough of the water for the good establishment. Once the plant root coming out from the cup, then we can transplant them into the DFT system. This method is very successful for 100% establishment of the plant. And this is the method which we must follow if we are going to transplant it with the clay balls. Because in the clay ball, root dries very quickly, and if our water level is not sufficient, then there are all the possibilities that our plant may not establish or get die because of the drying. So let us first finish all the sowing of our spinach plant into this net cup, and then we are going to transfer it into the DFT system. So friends, now we have completed transplanting our spinach plant into this net pot. You can see that we have planted all the spinach plant and keep it in little water. So now they are ready to go into DFT system. Now before shifting it to the DFT system, we need to take care for the few things. First, our DFT system should be filled at least halfway with the water, and the net cup should be just dipping into the water. So here it is 3 to 4 millimeter, it is into the water. Likewise here also it is a half centimeter into the water. So for initial period, we need to keep the water like this. Then we can transplant this plant, whatever we have transferred into the net pot, simply by putting it into the holes. So this is the establishing the plant into this DFT channels. Now once we do this action of the transplanting and putting this net cups into this DFT channel, then we must ensure that our water circulation must be start. Initially, for a day, we are going to circulate only plain water. So this plant will get enough time to establish well with a very low TDS of the water. Once the plant is set and we can see that upright plant into the channel, we can start giving the nutrient. Now initially, we are going to give very small nutrient. For first phase, you can choose a simple nutrient like 19-19-19 around 2 gram, calcium nitrate around 1 gram, magnesium sulfate around half gram, and a micronutrient, a pinch of micronutrient into a liter of a water. So whatever amount of the water is there into your storage, you can add the fertilizer in that proportion. Initially, we need to maintain the TDS only 200 or 300 ppm. So once the plant established new roots into it, we can keep on checking by lifting this cup, and once it shows the new roots getting into the water, we can start increasing its TDS step by step. So initially we are going to start with this. Later on, when the time for the nutrition updation will be there, I will put you update with a separate video for that. But till time, if you are planning to grow spinach in your DFT system, make your transplantation and ready with the transplantation plants for the growing. Happy growing!